I'm Ashley, the Alaska Urban Hippie. Have you been thinking about putting spearmint in your yard or garden this year? There are lots of benefits to spearmint. It grows really fast. Pollinators love the flowers. It makes fantastic hot herbal tea. And it also makes for beautiful bouquets once it goes to flower. Some of the downsides to think about are runners. It spreads really fast, and sometimes it spreads places you don't want it to. Another benefit is that it can take up as much or as little space as you want it to. Honeybees love spearmint, and so once it starts to go to flower, you'll have honeybees all over it. Living in Anchorage, Alaska, our hot summer day might be in the 80s, and our winter is very long. It's fairly cold tolerant. Spearmint leaves are about a medium size for the mint family. They're kind of a glossy look to them. They're not matte or fuzzy the way that some other mint varieties are. And if you're debating a few other mint varieties, I also have chocolate mint and apple mint in my yard. So I'll put a video right here if you wanted to check out a comparison of all the different mint varieties that I'm currently growing that are just coming back every year. They're perennials. Thanks for watching this video about spearmint. I'm Ashley, the Alaska Urban Hippie. My channel is all about Alaska life. It's about being a backyard hippie. I've got chickens. I'm a beekeeper.
That is so cool.
I've got perennial plants and fruit trees. I try to can my own food when I can. My channel is all about learning as much as I can, and it's also about sharing some unique Alaska moments along the way.
I'm like Chris Pratt in Jurassic World.
Come join the journey with me, the Alaska Urban Hippie Journey. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.